What is up, my friends? We are back with that 2013 Gibson SG Future guitar. Going to be doing our clean sound demo. Going to start in a bridge position as always. And believe me, this guitar can get really spanky sounding. So if you are a country player or like playing country, you could definitely pull off your country stuff with this guitar. So here we go, bridge position.